I'm here at Walmart. I did an online order because my husband last night when he was at work, before he came home and I did the divorce prank, he did text me and say he wanted me to do a banana loaf or a chocolate banana loaf or whatever. And I told him I had no cocoa, so I couldn't do it. So he was like, fine, I will pick some up on Friday and I'll make it myself. So I'm like, say less. Okay, that's good. But anyway, he doesn't know I'm out right now. I'm at Walmart. I just, see, it says pick up. I just picked up the cocoa and the bananas. So I'm going to surprise him. I'm going to make it today for him. So when he gets off work, he'll have his chocolate chip loaf that he requested for me to make last night. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully it'll turn out and hopefully he'll be excited when he gets home. I sprained my ligament in my right knee. So I have to try to get these groceries upstairs and I'm using a cane. I have crutches also, but I'm not using crutches right now. I'm going to use my cane. My knee is still sore, but it is healing. So I will see you guys when I go back upstairs. I got to try to get these groceries upstairs and my purse. And I'm using a cane. So wish me luck. So I decided to take the elevator because I was not walking up those stairs. The chocolate chips, these are the bananas I had. These are the ones I bought today, so I'll probably use these ones because they're look like they're better for baking. And I've got some cocoa powder, but I'm also gonna do some stewed chicken. Found out I have no time, which is crazy because I could have got some when I was at Walmart or when I did my order, but I didn't know. So we are using this time for the stewed chicken. I'm going to take the skin off. I'm going to wash it in vinegar and then I'm going to season it and I'm going to let it sit for a while. So it's 8 o'clock. Akeen gets off in 3 more hours. He gets off at 11. So I've got some work to do. I'm going to tackle this chicken and this chocolate banana loaf. I'm also going to put the video that my husband sent me last night to see or to show you guys what it is that I'm making for him.
Banana, sugar, flour, cocoa, batter, nuts. Reveal. This is a chocolate banana loaf cake. Try it out. That's fantastic.
So I'm going to continue to clean this chicken. I'm going to clean it with vinegar and then I'm going to season it and put it aside. Okay guys, so the chicken's cleaned and cut. I'm going to use complete seasoning, Maggi all-purpose, pepper, salt, and browning, paprika, some poultry seasoning, and some thyme. Normally I would use fresh thyme, but we do not have any. So I'm going to season it up, put it away for a bit, and then work. I'm ready to chop up some nuts and get this cake on the go because I don't have much time. I'm running out of time. So I'm going to turn the camera around here. So I'm going to chop up some nuts. So I've got my chopped nuts. It's hard to do this with one hand, guys. And I sprained my knee like I told you before. So it's like trying to do this with a sprained knee in one hand. Okay, so here's all my ingredients for my loaf. Here's my chicken, marinating, seasoning, and all my vegetables chopped up. My frying pan's ready. So first of all, I'm gonna get this. So I got my banana in there. I'm gonna put my eggs in there. And my sugar. My oil, my vanilla, and I'm going to blend it. Okay, now I'm going to add my flour, my cocoa, and my baking soda. There we go. So let's get it all blended up. So clearly my blender is not as good as Sky on the video, so I had to stir it up, but there it is. So I already have my greased pans right here. So I'm gonna pour it in. I'm gonna do, yeah, I'm just gonna pour it all in to one. Not gonna use the second one. Now I'm gonna add some chocolate chips. And some nuts. Okay, we don't have much time, guys. It's going in the oven. I hope it turns out right. Now it's time to get this cooked. Cooking in a little bit of oil. It's already seasoned up. And then I'm gonna add my vegetables and some ketchup and let her stew down. So brown stewed chicken is cooked. And the loaf is just about cooked. Should be done when he walks in the door. So he had some leftover rice and peas. We don't want this to go to waste. So we'll eat that with this. Hopefully, unless he says no, and then we won't. But I know mine is not as good as his. He's the cook in the family. And, but, you know, I try my best. Shower. I'm all cleaned up for when we can chillax. And hopefully he'll be happy that I cooked some chicken and a chocolate bun that he asked me to cook for him last night, or a chocolate cake or whatever it is. But anyway, I do my best. This is the loaf on the bottom, and this is the loaf on the top. This is the brown stewed chicken. And it is, so he should be home soon. I just gotta clean up these couple of dishes. And yeah. Okay, he's home, guys. He's home, he's home, he's home. Hi, babe.
Hi.
How are you? I know I have the camera in your face. I'm sorry. But it's on a better note than last night. Remember yesterday you asked me to make you a video? Or you sent me a video and asked you to make you something? I made it.
The banana, what was it?
Banana chocolate with nuts. I don't know, it looks a little different. And I made brown stew chicken to go with your rice. I'm glad you like it.
Look yummy.
Okay, let's see what this looks like.
Just come on.
Yeah, it's probably too early to, let's see. Okay, it's looking like the guys, kind of, sort of. Is it any good? It was a hit. I made up for last night, making him upset. He came home, had a piece of cake, and he's very happy. Thank you for hanging out with me and watching me do this process. And I believe it was a success. A whole lot better than last night. Very happy at the way this came out. It's very tasty, looks good. I just had a small little bite because I don't eat cakes and stuff, but it's totally for Akeen. And this turned out well. He tasted it and said it was really good as well. So, food's cooked for the week, or a couple of days anyways, and got a loaf to snack on. So, until next time, and remember, subscribe, like, and comment, and share. Okay? thank you and always keep God first. And I give God all the glory for everything in my life, including my husband and the food that we have to eat and this wonderful apartment that we live in. Until next time.